This lucky plant you can grow in a single stem, but time to time repotting is needed because this plant needs more space to grow. So this is the lucky plant, and stay tuned to know more about growing lucky bamboo. Lucky plant or the lucky bamboo. We all know this as lucky bamboo. So we all gardeners having this plant in our garden or as an indoor plant. So today I will share with you some of the tips that you will have to take care when growing this beautiful lucky bamboo plant. Lucky bamboo is a feng shui plant. Now the word itself says lucky, so you can imagine having this plant indoors as the indoor plant, that it brings good luck, wealth and prosperity to your home. So this is must-have plant in your garden. A beginner gardener can simply grow this without any trouble because these plants are low maintenance and one of the permanent plants. Grow this lucky plant with a single stem. Cut a mature single stem and put it in water for a couple of days, fresh water, so you will see its rooting. So after that you can transfer it to soil or keep it in water indoors as a decorative plant. So what you can do is you can add some pebbles and keep it indoors. So now when selecting a stem, see that the stem is mature enough and cut it and put it in water. That is about propagation. So now when placing this plant outdoors, when talking about sunlight, you will have to keep it in a place where it gets filtered sunlight. Medium to partial sunlight will be enough. Now when we keep these plants outdoors, that you will have to keep it in mind. And so when you keep this plant indoors, you don't face that problem because this plant is a permanent indoor plant. So that is about the location and sunlight. When talking about watering, you can water this plant when the top layer of the soil is dried out, or else you can keep these leaves fresh by giving a mist spray in the morning. That is also really very beneficial for the plant leaves to grow very healthily. This permanent plant you can multiply easily as a beginner gardener. I also grow this plant with a single stem. I brought it from a nursery, and after that with stems I grow them in separate pots. You can grow them in separate pots, small pots, but time to time you will have to transfer them to bigger pots where they get the space to grow. So if you give fertilizer time to time also, it will be beneficial, but this plant doesn't seek much fertilizer. If you don't give also, these plants are sure to grow because these plants are low maintenance plants. Grow this beautiful lucky plant to make your garden beautiful. So I hope you find this video very useful. If you have any questions, please do comment me, and also please subscribe to my channel if you are new. Thanks for watching, and see you soon with another gardening tips video. Thank you.